Look up at the night sky. For thousands of years, humans have gazed upward, captivated by the beauty and mystery above. The stars have inspired our stories, guided our journeys, and sparked our curiosity about the universe. Each twinkling point is a star, a sun like our own, burning with unimaginable power. These distant suns shine across the vastness of space, their light traveling for years, even centuries before reaching our eyes. These stars are the engines of galaxies, creating light, heat, and the elements that make up everything we know. In their hearts, stars fuse simple atoms into heavier ones, releasing energy that illuminates the cosmos and shapes the very fabric of our universe. Without them, the universe would be dark and lifeless. There would be no warmth, no planets, and no life as we know it, just endless cold emptiness stretching in every direction. The sun's light warms our planet and powers life, but our connection goes deeper. Every sunrise is a reminder of the energy that sustains us, linking us to the stars in ways both visible and invisible. The atoms in your body, calcium in your bones, iron in your blood, were forged in ancient stars. When massive stars died in spectacular explosions, they scattered these elements across the galaxy, seeding future generations of stars and planets. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. Every breath we take, every cell in our bodies carries the legacy of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. The story of stars is our own origin story. To understand them is to understand ourselves, our past, and perhaps even our future. Stars are born, live, and die, fueling cosmic evolution and creating the building blocks for new generations. Their life cycles drive the ongoing transformation of the universe, from the smallest grains of dust to the grandest galaxies. Let's embark on a journey through space and time to follow the life of a star. We'll travel from the dark clouds where stars are born to the brilliant moments of their demise, witnessing the wonders of the cosmos along the way. We'll witness their birth, fiery lives, and spectacular ends. Each stage reveals new mysteries and deepens our connection to the universe. This is the story of the universe and of us. Join us as we explore the cosmic tale written in the stars, a story that continues to unfold with every passing night. Our journey begins in the cold, dark spaces between stars, where silence reigns and the universe seems empty. Yet hidden within these vast, shadowy expanses, the seeds of creation are quietly waiting. Here, immense clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae, drift through the galaxy. These nebulae are the raw material for new stars, stretching across light years, their shapes sculpted by cosmic winds and ancient explosions. These cosmic nurseries, made mostly of hydrogen, float undisturbed for millions, sometimes billions of years. But all it takes is a single event, a shockwave from a nearby supernova or the gentle tug of gravity, to set a transformation in motion. Gravity begins to pull clumps of gas and dust together, compressing them into tighter, denser knots. As these knots grow, their centers heat up and the pressure builds, setting the stage for something extraordinary. Deep within the heart of the collapsing cloud, friction and pressure cause the core to glow with a faint red light. This is the birth of a protostar, a newborn star in its earliest stage, still shrouded in dust. At this point, it's not yet a true star. The heat radiating from the protostar comes from the energy of collapse, not from nuclear fusion. It is a star in waiting, gathering strength. The protostar continues to grow, pulling in more and more material from its surroundings. As it feeds, it heats up even further, its glow intensifying, preparing for the next great leap. Across the galaxy, in places like the pillars of creation, these stellar nurseries are alive with activity. Here, countless new stars are forming, each one destined to light up the cosmos in its own unique way. From these dark and humble beginnings, new suns are sown. They will one day ignite, breaking free from their dusty cocoons to shine brilliantly across the universe. And so, the universe's endless cycle of renewal continues as stars are born, live, and eventually give way to new generations, lighting the way for all that follows. Deep inside the protostar, temperatures soar to millions of degrees. Gravity squeezes hydrogen atoms so tightly that they fuse, releasing energy. Nuclear fusion begins. This is the true birth of a star. Fusion releases immense energy, creating an outward pressure that balances gravity. The star stabilizes, shining brightly for billions of years. It blasts away its cocoon of gas and dust, revealing itself to the universe. Sometimes leftover material forms planets and comets, a new solar system. Our own Sun and Earth were born this way. The birth of a star is the creation of potential new worlds. Each star's ignition is a beacon of cosmic possibility. After its birth, a star enters its longest phase, the main sequence. Here it steadily fuses hydrogen into helium, shining with constant brightness. The star's mass determines its lifespan. Massive stars burn fast and die young. Small stars burn slowly and live for trillions of years. Our Sun, a medium star, will last about 10 billion years. Red dwarfs, the smallest stars, outlive everything else. Main sequence stars are the universe's workhorses, creating helium and bathing planets in light. This stable period allows life to evolve on orbiting worlds. It's the long, peaceful summer of a star's existence. But even stars cannot shine forever. Eventually, a star's core runs out of hydrogen. Fusion slows, gravity takes over, and the core contracts, heating up. Hydrogen fusion ignites in a shell around the core, causing the star to swell into a red giant. Its outer layers expand and cool, glowing red and growing vastly brighter. Our Sun will one day become a red giant, possibly engulfing Earth. The red giant phase is unstable, a sign the end is near. The star pulsates, struggling for balance. It fuses hydrogen in a shell, piling more helium onto the core. The core contracts further, setting the stage for the star's final act. The peaceful summer is over, a turbulent autumn begins. For stars like our Sun, the next chapter is determined by mass. The core heats until helium fuses into carbon and oxygen, a brief final burst of energy. When helium runs out, fusion stops, and the star becomes unstable. It sheds its outer layers, creating a glowing planetary nebula. At the center remains a white dwarf, an Earth-sized, super-dense ember. White dwarfs no longer produce energy. They slowly cool and fade over billions of years. Eventually, they become cold, dark black dwarfs. This is the quiet, graceful end for small stars. The planetary nebula enriches space with new elements. The white dwarf is a silent monument to a star's life. This is the fate that awaits our Sun. Massive stars, over 8 times the Sun's mass, live fast and die spectacularly. They become red supergiants, fusing elements all the way to iron in their cores. Iron cannot release energy through fusion, so the core collapses catastrophically. In an instant, the core shrinks, triggering a colossal rebound explosion, a supernova. For weeks, the supernova outshines its entire galaxy. The explosion blasts heavy elements, oxygen, carbon, silicon, into space. These elements seed new stars and planets. Supernovae are the universe's way of recycling matter. The death of a massive star is violent, but it creates the building blocks for new worlds. From destruction comes creation. After a star's death, its core becomes something extraordinary. If the core is not too massive, it forms a neutron star, a city-sized ball of neutrons, incredibly dense and rapidly spinning. Some neutron stars become pulsars, beaming radiation across space. If the core is even more massive, gravity crushes it into a black hole, a point of infinite density where not even light escapes. Black holes are invisible, revealed only by their effects on nearby matter. These remnants, white dwarfs, neutron stars, black holes, are the final states of stellar evolution. They are cosmic ghosts, silent legacies of once brilliant stars. Each remnant shapes the universe in its own way. The cycle of birth, death, and transformation continues. We've journeyed from the birth of stars, tracing the origins of light and matter across the vastness of space and time. Each twinkling point in the night sky is a chapter in the universe's story, a reminder of the cosmic events that shaped everything we know. From the fiery explosions of supernovae to the gentle coalescence of gas and dust, we witness both spectacular death and breathtaking creation. These cosmic events are responsible for forging the very elements that make up our world and ourselves. The iron coursing through your blood, the oxygen filling your lungs with every breath, and the carbon forming the intricate structures of your cells. All of these elements were born in the hearts of ancient stars. When those stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded, scattering their enriched contents across the cosmos. Gravity then gathered this stardust, pulling it together to form new stars, planets, and eventually, the building blocks of life itself. Our solar system is a product of this endless cycle of destruction and renewal. Our Sun and Earth are living proof of this cosmic recycling, born from the remnants of long-dead stars. Every sunrise is a testament to the universe's ability to create anew from what once was. When you look at your hand, you're not just seeing flesh and bone, you're witnessing atoms that were forged in the intense heat of stellar furnaces billions of years ago. Each cell in your body carries a legacy written in the language of the stars. We are not just in the universe is in us. Our very existence is a reflection of cosmic history, a living connection to the stars above. Learning about stars and their life cycles connects us to the cosmos and to each other, reminding us of our shared origins. The universe is dynamic, always evolving, always renewing itself in a grand ongoing dance. We are stardust, part of a grand interconnected story that stretches across billions of years and countless galaxies. Every atom in our bodies has traveled an unimaginable journey through space and time. The next time you gaze at the night sky, let yourself feel that connection. You are not separate from the cosmos. You are a part of it, woven from its very fabric. Remember, when you look up, you are looking at your own cosmic ancestry, a story written in starlight and carried within you always.